one reason that you use it is a life skill. So, you know, everybody needs to learn how to cook and understand about nutrients and about food safety. So, you know, it's a useful life skill. The other reason is if you're going into the food industry. So you can, you know, learn how to cook, learn about food safety, about food storage, and about the nutrients and the science. So, as we said, you will learn about food science, you will learn about nutrients and about a balanced diet, and how to cook and prepare food, so knife skills, and we're sort of focusing on skills in cooking. So practical skills are quite useful, and how to obviously read a recipe, budgeting, and costing of food. So the assessment actually for the course is actually in 3 parts. So you have got a 1 3/4 hour exam with 20 multiple choice questions, then some medium length questions, and then longer questions, looking at diet, particularly those longer questions. The other 2 are what we used to call like a sort of controlled assessment. So there are 2 pieces of work that we're going to do in school, 2 reports. One is very science-based, so we're looking at some sort of science experiment to do with food, which is a useful thing that people do in the actual food industry. And the second one is actually cooking for 3 hours. So it's a 3-hour practical exam and a report to go with that on a particular topic. So the example that we're going to use is AQA, and we assess the work actually in school. So there are several routes that you can go down. So we offer a course for sixth form, which is one of the only recognised courses for you to go on further if you wanted to study at degree level. The other things that you could do with it, I think, is, you know, as a student, particularly if you're at university or in younger years, you'd be able to use this for jobs. You know, lots of students actually do jobs in the food industry, but also as a career. So you could do anything from working in sport and needing to know about nutrition and food, to be a nutritionist, to be a food photographer, and also obviously working in a kitchen.